Question 7 is 3 marks. Part A says factorize x squared plus 2x minus 48. There are different ways to do this. Some students do prefer to use the quadratic formula. I don't. Now, the easier way to do this is find two numbers, multiply to make negative 48 and add to make 2. So what are these numbers? To know these, think of the factors of 48. It's 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 12, I think. No, 3 is not 12, so it's 48 divided by 3, I think it's 16. And then 4 and 12, 6 and 8, and I think that's all. Once you write the factors, then think of these two here. If you add or subtract them, they don't make 2. They don't add up to this number, so we cancel this. 2 and 24, if you add or subtract, they don't make 2, so we cancel them. They don't add or subtract 2, we cancel them. These also, they don't add or subtract to 2. The last two, 6 and 8, if you subtract them, they do really give you 2. So we got the pairs. We know which two numbers are these. It's 6 and 8. Once you get the numbers, just write them in these nice brackets. So it's x, 6 and 8. Since it's negative 48, so we know it's either negative 6 times 8 or 6 times negative 8. One of these two. Now, which two add to make positive 2? Negative 6 plus 8 or 6 plus negative 8? 6 plus negative 8 makes negative 2, while this one is positive 2. So it's just negative 6 plus 8. That's why I'll just make negative 6 here and plus 8 there. And that's your 2 marks for the first part. Now let's look at the second part here. They say, hence, solve. That means because you factorized, okay, solve it. That's what they say. Now what you will do is you will open your nice brackets again, and then you will bring the same brackets from the first part and make it equal 0. Now you have two numbers multiplied to make 0. This times this makes 0. Two numbers multiplied to make 0, that means one of them should be a 0. So we can say it's either x minus 6 equals 0 or x plus 8 equals 0. This is 8 here, it's not 6. Now, if x minus 6 equals 0, that means x equals 6. And if x plus 8 equals 0, that means x equals negative 8. And that's your 3 marks for this question. Easy peasy. We don't get scared. We don't panic. We just want to learn. Now let's look at question 8.